morning, everyone, and welcome to our presentation for our Dropbox. And for the first slide, I'll introduce myself. I'm Wesley. I'm the stakeholder, and we do have a couple of people, like Zobi said, a couple of team members that are going to present today. It's just going to be probably the three of us. So I'll start, and then Zobi will take over. And this is what we have for Dropbox. So this is the Dropbox technology company. And who's Dropbox? I mean, who we are. So Dropbox is a cloud storage and file hosting service that allows users to store and share and access file online. And it was actually founded by two MIT students. What Dropbox does is it helps with file storage, and also users can actually store files, documents, folders, and online, and also access them from any device. They can also synchronize those files and share those files, and also Dropbox do provide some sort of security for those files in terms of recovery and password protection. And Dropbox also helps in helping teams to stay organized and sync with each other. So for our agenda, so we have to introduce the TPRM process, identify stakeholders, and also outline challenges that we're facing and possible solutions to those challenges, and introducing our vendors. And we actually came up with a project implementation phase for this entire process. So what is TPRM? What is this? What is the TPRM process? So TPRM is a continuous process that enables organization identify, evaluate, and also control risks associated with those third-party or vendors, or maybe suppliers as well. So TPRM is important because it helps organizations understand the risks that they face when working with vendors or suppliers or service providers. So we did identify our stakeholders, like I mentioned in the previous slide. So these are stakeholders. And for our challenges, Dropbox, but the reason why we're doing this a project or this process is because Dropbox had some challenges. One of those challenges where the system was fragmented. So Dropbox had some difficulties, consolidating data and tracking vendor performances. So that's one of the issues that they had of the reason why we're actually doing this. And also it has some scalability issues and also compliance challenges, but where it was hard for them to meet due or or to ensure that they actually adhere, or vendors I'm sorry, for the vendors to adhere to regulatory standard, and also they were struggling with that. And for they were also struggling with the risk assessment. So they were having some kind of difficulties assessing risk of those vendors or third party. And so we actually came up with solutions to those challenges. So one of the solutions is a comprehensive TPRM capability. We actually leveraged a Ramba tool to actually perform that. We also have a scalability enhancement solution. And so by implementing a Ramba, Dropbox will actually aim to enhance scalability. We also have a streamlined compliance effort. So the fragmented nature of this existing system posed by this compliance challenge, we're going to streamline Ramba for this compliance effort to provide us with a cohesive solution to those challenges. And we also have a operational efficiency. So Dropbox 2, like I said, leveraging Ramba to actually start or to just improve overall operational efficiency.